Hello and welcome to Chao. In a previous video, I showed you how to make salted caramel milk tea and salted caramel tea latte. And I did mention that we make our own caramel, and many have asked me to show you how we make salted caramel sauce. To me, it's the superstar of salty and sweetness. So you might ask, why do we have to make our own? Why don't we just buy commercially available salted caramel? First, you can cut the cost by about 40% if you make it yourself. Second, you know what's in there. Third, you know there's no preservative and that it's freshly made. Fourth, you can do it anytime you want to and you don't have to scramble around and going to the shops to get your salted caramel. So what can we use salted caramel sauce for? You can use it to add flavor to your drinks, coffee, milk tea, or frap. You can also use it as a decoration for your topping on top of the whipped cream or just simply on top of the milk foam. You can also use it as topping for your cakes, and one of my favorites is to use it as sauce for my popcorn. So today I'm going to show you how we make salted caramel the Chao way. So we need a pot. I always get a hot pot stand ready. For this purpose, I'm going to use 1 cup of white sugar, 1 pack of heavy cream. I'm using Nestle cream. And we need vanilla extract. This is about 1 teaspoon or about 5 ml. We need about 90 ml of water, and we need a heap of sea salt, rock salt. I love this rock salt. This actually says it's harvested from pristine waters of Mindoro. That must be so good. Sea salt actually makes the flavor better. What I normally do is I first mix my vanilla extract with the heavy cream, just so that I don't have to do it later. So I put it together, and then I'll put my sugar into the pot and put the water in. Stir the sugar and the water together. The reason why you're doing it is because once you put it on the hob, you shouldn't stir it anymore, or else the sugar will crystallize. Let's put it on the hot plate and wait for it to caramelize. Make sure you do it on low heat. As the mixture starts to boil, the water starts to evaporate and will leave us with our caramel. So as we wait for our sugar to caramelize, I'm going to mix my vanilla extract with the heavy cream. And you'll see that I'm doing it right in the packet, because I don't really want to waste any more of the cream by putting it into a bowl and then another. So it's just my way. Our mixture is starting to turn golden brown, and the mixture is getting a little bit thicker. It's smelling so nice at the moment. How do you know when to stop? When your mixture turns deep amber. There you go. Our caramel is now very deep amber in color. Have a look. And I'm taking it off the hot plate, put it on my hot pot stand, and this time we're going to start pouring our heavy cream. Now pour it slowly. It's going to be really bubbly, and don't pour it all in, but don't do it too slowly either. Just steady and keep stirring as you pour your heavy cream. There you go, keep stirring. At this stage, I'm going to put our heap of teaspoon of sea salt, and then again keep stirring to dissolve the salt. Don't be tempted to dip your finger in. It's really very hot. Wait for it to cool down for a bit. Now let's taste. It's got the perfect blend of salty and sweetness. Absolutely delicious. So there you have it, simple and easy way to make sea salt salted caramel. You can now use them for your favorite drinks and make them taste better. So I hope you learned something new today. Good luck in your kitchen, and I hope you come up with something even better than what you saw today. In the meantime, thank you for watching, and ciao for now.